Hey guys, today I have a little bit of a hack. Well, it's not a hack at all. It's what's it called? It's a fidget toy, like a DIY fidget toy. And all you'll need is 8 pegs, just normal pegs like this, like those pegs. And what you need is this little spring inside there. Look, and how you get that out is you pull it apart like that, and then you just twist it like that, and then you get the spring. The spring will look like this, like that. Pull open, and then twist, and then the spring on mine just came straight out like that. And you need to do that with all 8 of them. Until you have, all the springs from the pegs. And these are quite old pegs as well. So the springs are a bit rusty. But I tried to get the less rustier ones because I don't want rust on my hands, really. So this is all of the pegs, and then here are all of the springs. So, and what you do is you get one of them like this, and then the springy bit, this bit here, you put one end in like that, and then you pull it around and then put the other end in. So it's like that, so it's connected, you can't pull it apart. And then you just repeat that. So get this end not where the spring is. This end with the two wires crossing over, and then you get the spring end of another one, and then you just put it in the bottom, in the top of that, and then pull the other one and put it in the bottom, and just keep doing that until you've got all 8 in a line, and then I'll show you what to do afterwards. Ooh. And they might go on top of each other, not go on top of each other. They might not go in properly, so you might have to do it again. Ooh. How would I think I've just got a dodgy peg. So the last one, pull it round, and then there you go. And then now you should have a line of the springs, like this. And now what you do with each end, you do the same really. You bring it round, like this in a circle, and then you fasten it in like that, so you've got a circle. And now you can just mess around with it like this. And it's actually pretty cool, I like it. And that's how you make your very own fidget toy. If you like it, please comment and subscribe and like as well. Bye.